Is Amazon stock a potential buy right now? Let's make a quick calculation to see if it possibly is. If they grow revenue by 11% annually for the next 5 years, they will roughly have $968 billion in revenue. If they have a 12% profit margin that some analysts think they can have, they will make $116 billion in profit. Now let's take $116 billion times a 30 price to earnings multiple and get a market cap of $3.5 trillion. Today they have a market cap of $1.9 trillion. That is an upside potential of 84% if these assumptions come true. That will take the stock from $177 to $325. Investing in Amazon can be a strategic move for several reasons. Market leadership. Amazon is a global leader in e-commerce and cloud computing. Its vast product offerings, including electronics, apparel, and more, attract a massive customer base. Amazon Web Services, AWS, as a leading cloud provider, AWS contributes significantly to Amazon's success. The cloud industry is expected to grow, and Amazon's strong position in this space is an advantage. Advertising business. Amazon has built a robust advertising business, which adds to its revenue streams. Steady growth. Amazon's history of consistent growth over time aligns well with a long-term investment strategy. Despite its size, it remains a growth company. Remember, investing for the long haul pays off, and Amazon's innovative approach and diverse revenue streams make it an attractive choice for many investors. Amazon's success lies in its customer obsession, commitment to innovation, and long-term vision. It aims to be Earth's most customer-centric company and a leader in various tech domains. Do your own due diligence. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.